What you doing? Let's set up one time. Let's set up one time. Can you see me? Can you see me? What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker, and the sun is shining on me. Bronx, the sun is shining on us. Look at it, the sun. Bruh. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, first, man, I decided to do this in my backyard. But right when I set it up, somebody decided they wanted to start cutting their grass. So if you hear a little grass, a little weed eating, a little anything, just ignore it, you know what I'm saying? You know, I've been messing with my deck back here in the back. I'm proud of my deck. I had to get that in a shot. Look at that. I ain't got no steps though. Nope. So since I ain't got no steps, I gotta decide to get up and down. This is my way of getting up and down for now. But sold a couple things yesterday, so I wanted to kind of go through that and also talk about other couple of things that I kind of drifted into, you know, doing different stuff on eBay as far as auctions. I never really set up auctions, but now I know why. Made some rookie mistakes that I knew already, but I did them anyway. And you know, once you start something, you don't want to stop, especially when somebody bids. You get kind of dinged on that. Anyway, I'll talk about that a little later. But first, let's go over what's sold, all right? But before that, if this is your first time watching my video, my name is Dave. I'm a part-time picker. I have a full-time job. I do this on the side. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, things like that, find items and flip them. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do over here. So if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Like I always say, it's free. You can even hit that like and give me a bonus for free too. So you can subscribe for free and give me a bonus, yes sir, for free, just because you're looking out. You know what I'm saying? So just go ahead and do it. You might as well. You know, you're already watching me now. If you like content like this, where else can you get it? You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can get it at other places, but where can you get it like this though? You know what I'm saying? First thing I sold, as you can see right here, is some inkjet ink. I forget the number. I think it was like 931 XL, something like that. It sold for $14.99 plus shipping. Oh my God. Anyway, it sold for $14.99 plus shipping. Like I told y'all, this is one of the first big bulk lots that I got. I filled up my Tahoe twice. I think the first time for like $30, the second time for like $35. And I mean, the first two sales that I made on these purchases paid for both lots. So I've been eating off this ink for a long time. It was one of my first things, I think back in, oh, I don't know, back in January, December I got this, and I'm still eating off of it. And I sell about 2 or 3 lots a week. Second thing I sold was this center hat. I got this from the Goodwill for $2. It sold for $12 plus shipping. No, $12 free shipping. It went at a 4-ounce rate. The hat was light. I got a box that fits it perfect. The box only weighed 2 ounces. The hat was like 1.5 ounces. Went at a 4-ounce rate. Shipped it out for like $2.80. Hey, made a little profit. Like I said, the hat was $2. I usually don't get a lot of hats, but I decided to get this one because it looked pretty cool. There wasn't a lot of them out there, and it sold fairly quick, so happy about that purchase. Next thing I sold was this Lambs and Ivy Snoops. It's like a baby crib. You know the thing when you put the baby in there and it goes around and around. You wind it up and it goes around and around. Well, I sold that. I got it from the Goodwill for like $5. It sold for $30 plus shipping. The shipping was actually $14.90. So this person was like $45 into the whole lot. They live in like California. I live in Kentucky, so it's going pretty far. It actually cost me like $15 to ship it out because it weighed like 0.2 ounces, over 2 pounds. I try to cut off as much as I can to get it on that 2-pound rate. All right, to package this up, all I'm doing is I'm taking this 1097. Let me see, where's it at? Right here, 1097 box. If it was any bigger, I would use a 1095 box, but look at that right there. As you can tell. Sorry, the light's kind of bad, but this box fits perfect in there without the flaps. All right, so if I open this box up, as you can see, it's not thick enough for this Snoopy to slide right in there. All right, so I gotta kind of manipulate this box so it does fit. Now, this is not a flat rate box. I've been doing this for years. I'm not gonna tell you to do it. From some of the feedback I'm getting, you can do it, you just can't do it with flat rate boxes. All right, so I'm gonna knock this out real quick. Let me show you basically. Let's just get right into it. Get tired of talking. And I showed this before in one of my videos. I'm going to do a video just for this on how I pack my shoes when I get more than some 1095 boxes in. I ordered those from the USPS about a month ago, and about maybe 3 weeks ago, and I still ain't got them. So anyway, these got red lines on them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line this box up on the side of the red lines. I don't know if you can see that. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna show you. I'll do a separate video. And for this, you can use some scissors, but I happen to have this handy dandy tool with the little on the side. And all I'm doing is making my fold. So I'm gonna line this up, make sure it's straight. Perfectly lined, slide it down. Perfectly lined. Got that down. Yeah. Do the same thing on the other side. There's 2 red lines over here. That's how I know to line it up on this side. Turn it around so you can see. Line it up. Line it up. Oh, my line is crooked, man. Man, if I pull it out, it might work. There we go. I know, that's what she said. Alright, so I got my lines. Alright, so this should fold. Let's see. Well, you know what, let me do a couple things first. I gotta cut all the corners. That's cut. Well, let me bend it first. Bend it right there. Bend it right there. Boom. Look at it. Alright, so what I want to do first is cut all the corners that I just made. I know I didn't show you anything really. Cut all the flaps. All I'm doing is cutting these flaps off for my boxes. My box bends like this, so I can make sure I have my flaps thing. Oh. Flap. That was kind of messed up. Flap. Alright, I got my flaps. Look at that. Alright, so my Snoopy should slide right first. First, let me do the bottom of it. I know I'm all over the place in this video. Let me see, I'm doing my bottom one right now. Make sure. There we go. Got the bottom of it closed. So my Snoopy should slide right in. See? Boom. Boom. Right on in there. Look at that perfect box. And then close it so. And what I usually do, well, this right here is perfect actually. I don't have to do anything. Get some more tape. Boom. Boom. Look, perfect. And all I did, I didn't even have to do no cutting. I just made some perforated lines just to fold the box to where it fits right over the Snoopy. Alright. When I get these 1095 boxes, I'm going to do a bunch of different size shoe boxes and have better lighting and show you exactly what I did, because this pretty much didn't show you anything. Anyway, it cost me about $15 to ship. It was $30. They paid $14.90 of it, so I only paid the extra $1. Paid $5 for it. Great profit in my eyes, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, the next thing that I shipped out. Oh my God, come on, man.
Come on, man.
That's the thing I hate about the spring summer, these bees and these wasps. Come on now. I never sprung too many times, man. So every time I see one, I'm like, Anyway, the next thing that I sold was a lot of Hot Wheels. I'm gonna talk about this in another one. I sold a lot of Hot Wheels. Anyway, it went for $28.99 plus shipping. The buyer paid $10.90, so they're about $38, $39 in with the shipping. Also sold a lot. You remember I got that jewelry? I decided to do like a little lot. Now, I just wanted to do a buy it now, but I actually did an auction. Not let it ride. Ended up going for like $25 plus shipping, so I went for $30 for these 4 pieces that you see right here. Sorry, I went through that pretty quick. Just wanted to get it out there to you so I can talk about what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is doing auctions. That Hot Wheels set and that jewelry set, I decided to do an auction. Actually, the jewelry set I did on accident, but I went on to let it ride. The Hot Wheels set I did on purpose. And I made some mistakes doing this. First off, you want to do your research, especially on Hot Wheels, because these Hot Wheels was 60 models, 70 models, some 80 models, but mostly 70s, a couple 60s, and a couple 80s models. Do your research on stuff. You know, I'm not a Hot Wheels collector, so I don't know a lot about it. I know I had a couple gems in there. I did a little research, but if I would have did it a little better, I maybe would have distorted the auction a little higher or lower, or stored it at a certain time of the day to where the auction ends at a certain time of the day. Because what I did is I did it on my night shift work. Bruh. Everybody knows an auction ending at night is terrible. All right, it ended at 4 o'clock in the morning. Usually when people put their bids in, it's at the last hour or so, the last 15 minutes, let's say that, and ain't nobody up enough 4 o'clock in the morning. Nope. You know, it's 4 o'clock here Eastern Standard Time and 1 o'clock in the morning in California. Come on now, who's bidding? So I started at like 4 o'clock in the morning and it ended at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I only got like 2 bids on it. I only paid $2.99 for the lot, so I wasn't tripping. I got my money, blah blah blah, but I possibly could have got more money if I would have scheduled it. You know, I could have paid an extra 10 cents and scheduled it to start at a certain time. That way it would have ended at a start time. So it was a rookie mistake. It wasn't really a rookie mistake because I'm not a rookie and I knew that, but I guess I was at work half asleep just trying to get the listing up and forgot to schedule it. It's all good though. Still made money, didn't lose, but you can hurt yourself a lot, especially if you starting your auction off like at 99 cents or something like that. Me, unless I have nothing in it at all, I never really do 99 cents. I'm willing to pay a little extra to start it a little higher. That way I know I'm getting at least that. So as y'all know, I got lots and lots of jewelry. So 4 pieces for $25 plus shipping is killing it for me. I got a bunch for $60, so I paid for a quarter of what I really got. So I wasn't really tripping on that. That's a win-win for me. But if I'm trying to squeeze every single piece of money out of that, I could have did it a lot different. So that's just my 2 cents. I don't know what I'm talking about, so listen if you want to. Oh well. Bruh. Well, I was gonna fly my drone to end the video. This is actually the next day, but it's gloomy outside. Can't do anything out there to kill my drone. So just like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all be good. Peace.